Hi, I'm Kirsty Cullen, CEO at the Optimum Health Clinic, and today I am joined by Jess Thompson, our Director of Psychology at the clinic. Hi, Jess.
Hi.
So, the week before last, Claire Sahinson, our head of research, joined us and spoke about the role of stress in long COVID, explaining that stressors on the body have the capacity to lower our immune defenses, in turn impacting on how we are able to fight and manage infections in the body. So, Claire offered 3 tips to help manage cortisol and stress balance. So today we thought it would be useful to add 3 easy psychology tools to that stress reduction toolkit, if you will. Jess, what would be your top 3 simple and effective stress management tools?
Yeah, sure. So we work with stress and anxiety in many ways on the psychology side of the clinic. And today I just wanted to give 3 quick, easy ways to tip the balance out of the stress state into the healing state, which when practiced often enough can really help. So the number one is mindfulness. Mindfulness can be seen as a kind of big thing that you have to spend years practicing, but it's actually really, really simple and a very powerful way of training our attention. It's simple in that it's about paying attention to what's happening in the here and now. So the sensations, thoughts, and emotions you're experiencing in a non-judgmental way. And it's powerful because it can interrupt that habit of getting lost in thoughts about the future or the past, which can generate stress. So there are actually several different ways to practice or engage in mindfulness. And the 2 I wanted to mention today are number 1, just using your senses. So simply bringing your mind to the present moment by noticing 4 things you can see and 4 things you can hear. This can be done anywhere, anytime. And the second one is mindfulness of breath. So taking a few minutes to really bring your attention fully to your breathing, the sensation as you breathe in, taking in all of the detail. So the temperature of the air, how it feels in your nose and as it travels down your throat and into your lungs, and how the breath feels as it leaves your body. And just repeating this for a few breaths. The second stress reduction technique I wanted to mention is another breathing exercise. This is a deep breathing exercise. Really easy to practice. So sitting comfortably with your back straight, putting one hand on your chest and the other hand on your stomach. Breathing in through your nose. And the hand on your stomach should rise and the hand on your chest should move very little. And then just exhaling through your mouth, pushing out as much air as you can while contracting your tummy muscles. And the hand on your stomach should move in as you exhale, but your other hand should move very little. And just continuing to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. And the final stress reduction tip is thought diffusion, which simply means developing that habit of stepping back from your thoughts and letting them come, be, and go without getting caught up in a struggle. So you can imagine that you're the sky and your thoughts are the clouds, or that you're the driver of a bus and your thoughts are the passengers. The key is to drop the struggle with the thoughts and remember that you are the thinker, not the thoughts. So those are 3 really simple stress reduction techniques, which are only helpful if you actually use them. So researchers found that it's helpful to have what's called a habit anchor. And this is where you attach these 30, 60-second stress reduction tips to something that you regularly do. So the habit anchor is something that you already do as part of an existing daily routine, like brushing your teeth. So you could, for example, use the breathing exercise I've talked through today whilst making a cup of tea. Use the mindfulness exercise while making your food, or the thought diffusion practice while brushing your teeth.
Jess, thank you so much. It's so simple and effective, and that is key to success and continuity, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. It's all about actually using it. These practices need to be simple because you need to practice them again and again to really tip that balance out of stress and into the healing state.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for lending us your expertise today.
Okay, no problem.